Will AI replace software engineers? Diving into a hot topic. Will AI replace software engineers? Let's see what Bill Gates has to say. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates recently shared his thoughts on AI's future and its impact on various professions, including software engineering. Gates believes that the future of AI lies in developing advanced personal assistants that could transform how we interact with technology. Imagine an assistant so powerful, you'd rarely need to use Google or Amazon again. But what does this mean for software engineers? Gates suggests that while AI can assist in coding and automating routine tasks, the creativity and complex problem-solving skills of human engineers will still be crucial. Beyond coding, AI is set to revolutionize fields like healthcare, aiding in advanced drug development and potentially finding cures for diseases like Alzheimer's. Gates is optimistic about AI's role in our lives easier and more efficient, emphasizing that AI tools like chatgpt are just the beginning of what's to come. So, while AI will undoubtedly change the landscape of software engineering, it won't fully replace human engineers anytime soon. Instead, it'll be a powerful tool in our arsenal. What are your thoughts on AI's future? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.